Desert Horizons, easy off-grid unplugged RV ranch. Gotta start getting some footage for this Friday's video, because Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday is supposed to be rainy and cloudy here. I'm not gonna get a whole lot of electricity for transferring, burning, uploading videos, all that sort of stuff. It's right now it's gorgeous. It's supposed to be like 83 today. I think today's like November 17th, maybe. A week and a half till Thanksgiving. And I'm hoping with this cold wet front coming through, because we're talking highs about 62 and lows in the low 40s, that kills out the last of those damn gnats. These are not the earwig gnats. They don't go into my ears, but they just kind of buzz around all over you. And you're always feeling something, and of course you go to rub it and it's gone. So, but what I've been doing is filling in all the holes. It's taken me 4 trips with the wheelbarrow over to where the guy dug the trench. Get some extra dirt out of there. I got all the holes filled in, I think. Fairly level enough. And I've got the platform all ready for next spring when I back the motorhome back up into the spot. This is right where I want it. And I've got it braced a little better. I didn't have quite enough wood under it last year, and that metal thing kind of sank into the ground a little bit. So by the time I moved it, it was feeling kind of lopsided, like I was going downhill when I was going back towards the bedroom. And where it's sitting now, it may be just as maybe unlevel also, but it doesn't feel as bad, so it felt level enough to me. So I think I got most of the area flattened out where the tires will go. There's a couple of little low spots there I'm not going to worry about, because that's underneath the center of the RV. That'll give Ruger a place to start digging a hole next spring, I guess. This is just another beautiful day. I know lots of places back east are getting real cold today. I don't know if anybody's getting any snow, but a lot of you are really suffering with the ice cold temperatures. But this is what we have to put up with here. I don't know if you can see it. Moon's up there somewhere. I can't see it in the viewfinder, but I can see it up there. So I know it's there. We actually need the rain because the solar panels up on the roof up there are getting really dusty dirty. I mean really dusty. Let's see what happens. I meant the solar panels up here. Hopefully maybe you can see how dirty they are. I don't know if you can see how dirty they were, but they're dusty dirty, so it's cutting way back on my solar production. I saw a video where a guy did a test of a dusty versus a clean solar panel, and it was about 30% more power on a clean one than you get off of a dusty one. So that 30% would get me started much earlier in the day. I saw another video on how to catch rats. You should glue some cat food or dog food down to a rat trap, and should get them that way. Of course, now I don't have any more big rat traps left. They're still viable. They're all busted or so rusty they don't work anymore. So I have to order some more of those. This panel still producing juice. That's funny, because where I have this set up actually get sun up on top of there. I'm getting about 30 watts in and all of those before the sun even gets on this one. So that's what wintertime does because of where the sun moves. It's going up this way and down versus before it used to start over there and go up that way and down. And normally when you're working stiff, the only time you notice the sun moving is on the way to or from work when the sun's in your eyes. I know I used to do it twice a year. I'd always complain I had to drive directly into the sun. So I don't know where Ruger went to. Or the neighbors, I guess. Well. I was just curious if anybody had seen a happy puppy anywhere. He's in his bed. It's only like 7:30 at night. I got this from an Amazon gift card that AU Prospector got for me probably about a month and a half, 2 months ago. I ordered it. They didn't have the right size. Well, it finally came in. So I put it down and he jumped right in it right away. He knew it was for him. So hopefully he'll stay off the couch now. I don't know for sure what you can see, but this is more about listening.